Let me show you how to change the default OpenAI model inside of the CLI tool Codex. Let me show you what I mean. Every time you run the Codex command to open up the CLI tool, you're always met with the model being O4 mini. And anytime that you might change it, so if I type /model and then change it to O3, now it's set to O3 and it's using O3. But if I quit out of this and then open it again, it's going to be set to O4 mini still. It's because it's not saving our changes to what we want the model to be. So in order to set a default, we have to edit a certain file. So I'll quit out of this and then I'll open up my Explorer. Now the certain file is located inside of our home directory. If we go to our home directory, for Windows, it's just my username. For Linux, it might be the /home/ your username. And inside of there, you'll find a .codex folder. And this will only appear if you've ran Codex at least one time. So you can open up this folder and there's a file called config.json. Let's open it up. So here you can see it's already pre-populated with this model key, and all we have to do is provide it a value. So the value that we want is, say we want to switch to O3 as our default. Then we can save this file, go back to our terminal, and then run Codex. And you can see that now our model is switched to O3, and it will forever be O3 every time that we run Codex. We can switch this to any model that we want though, so just pick whichever one you want to be the default. Now you may be tempted to set the approval to full auto, which instead it's always set to suggest when you open up Codex. But if we add this field here and go ahead and save, and then go back to our command line, we have to quit out of this first, and then run Codex again. Unfortunately, it's still set to suggest. So this isn't a configuration that we can set as a default. This is probably to prevent some unwanted auto edits, but I don't know. For now, all we can set is the model, so I have it set to O3 here. And that is how you can change the default model inside of OpenAI's CLI tool Codex.